I'm going to share with you an incredibly easy online business you can do from scratch in about 2 hours a day from a smartphone or laptop without any social media following or technical ability. And you can start to generate instant 100% profit paid to whatever payment method you want. Now, I'm actually inside of my Stripe account. Stripe is kind of like PayPal. And you can see my name, Garrett, here. I first just want to share with you some of the results I've been getting with this easy online business. Then I'm going to share with you results of other people so you can see it's not just because I have somewhat of a YouTube following. And then I'm going to share with you exactly how this business works. So you can see right here that these payments are coming in, on a daily basis, $100, $900, 600, 300, different, if you can see 665 results. Okay, so this has been working over and over and over again. But like I said, I want to share with you some results from other people as well. So I'm actually inside of the online businesses community. And you can see right here that first off, we have this person here, Lizelle. They said over 880,000 Rand. Now she's from South Africa. Okay, so that is $48,000 in just 90 days. Okay. Crystal right here, $71,958 made in 90 days. Okay, how would you feel if you could have a predictable online business without having to bother your friends and family? This isn't MLM, this isn't network marketing. You don't have to recruit anyone, you don't have to get on the phone with anyone. If you're introverted, this is going to be perfect for you. Now, this person right here, 30,000 in almost 3 months. So that's about $10,000 a month, right? How would you feel if you could make, an extra $10,000 a month in about 1 or 2 hours a day around your family? Okay. Stormy right here, $19,800 in my first 3 weeks. Okay. Absolutely incredible. Just a few more, celebrating my first $600 sale. Now, these sales are coming in, by the way, on autopilot. This is an automated online business. 90% of this is going to be automated. The only part you're going to have to do is what I'll share with you in a second, which is very easy. Okay. Shane and Lynn right here, first $900 ding. Okay. We say a ding is because you'll actually get this notification on your phone when you actually make a sale, or should I say when the automated system makes you that sale. Made $1,800. It's only been 3 days. Madison right here. Okay, so how exactly does this work, and what are you needing to do in your 2-hour workday? Okay, because we always say if you're doing more than 2 hours in this business, you're doing something wrong, right? So the first 30 minutes, what we recommend you do for about 30 minutes a day is you post free ads on high traffic websites. Okay, so inside of this program, we'll actually give you a list of around 200 different websites that are highly visited. And what you can do is kind of like Craigslist, but it's free. You can post advertisements. Now, when you post those ads, you're actually going to get people that see those advertisements. Okay, and these ads are basically just selling the products inside of this business. If you want to resell with the rights you get access to, when you post those ads, people are going to see the benefits, see the information, and get interested, and they're going to respond to these ads. They're going to ask you, how does this work? Can you send me more information? They're going to respond in a comment or a private message to you. Okay, that's the first 30 minutes a day. The second is about an hour a day, and then you're going to create 1 to 3 pieces of content on social media. Now, this can be like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest. You want to choose the social media platform that you enjoy the most. And again, we want to post 1 to 3 pieces of content a day. And this content is designed to attract our perfect customers to us. The people that are most interested in buying these done for you, already pre-created products, we will start attracting those people to us. And then all we have to do is actually spend the last 30 minutes a day right here, okay, responding to CTA comments and emails. So what happens is when you post that content, you post those advertisements, which you'll learn exactly how to do inside this program, you will have people interested, because inside of the ad and inside of the content, you will always include a CTA, or a call to action. This is a sentence that's basically telling people, hey, if you want more information, comment yes. If you want more information, comment the word info. And what you're going to do is spend about 30 minutes a day, depending on how many comments you get, sending information to those people that responded. Okay. Now, what information you're going to send is basically the link to the automated system that will do all the selling and following up for you. This system will come built in with products that you don't even have to create yourself, and also emails that will start following up with your leads, converting them into sales. And then we also say you can spend 30 minutes a day responding to any emails. So these emails will start following up with your leads. But if someone has a question, they can respond to that email saying, hey, I'm interested, but can I do this in Australia? Or, I only have a smartphone. Can I do this on my phone? And then you just respond to their email. That's all you have to do in your 2-hour workday. And you can literally start to generate income just like this. Okay. Now, there's going to be a link directly below. So at any point, you can actually go to that link and find out more information, as well as get started and access this done for you system, products, and even training. So I do want to share that. But this is what it looks like. Okay. So these are the 3 simple steps to daily pay. Essentially, what you want to understand is that we have 3 simple steps. Okay. So step number 1 is, again, we're going to attract our perfect customers. So we post ads on high traffic websites. We post 3 pieces of content on whatever social media platform you prefer. We have training inside on pretty much all of them. Then you're going to send those people that respond your link. The link is this right here. Number 2, the automated system. You don't have to create the capture page, the sales page, the emails. All of this is done for you. But when someone goes to your website, they'll put their email in, and then the system will follow up for you. And then what happens is, inside of these emails, there will be the link to your website. And on that website, there's 4 different products listed. There's a $100 to $300 to $600 and a $900 product. And when your prospect, your lead, buys one of those products, you get paid in whatever method you prefer. So whatever method you set up with your website, which is very easy, we have training on exactly how to do that. Stripe, PayPal, Cash App, Zelle, Payoneer. You can find whatever method works best in your country. You're going to be able to collect that money and then just transfer it to your bank account. Okay. And you receive instant 100% profits because there's no middleman. Now, when you get started, okay, what happens is you will actually access this training site. Okay. Now, this training site is the $900 level. All of them, by the way, there are a one-time payment. There's no monthly fees. Okay. So whatever level you decide to join at, you can actually resell that level and all the levels under it. You get master resale rights. This is a legal right, and you can do your own research, but master resale rights is a very, very effective way to give other business owners the right to resell your products as your own. And that's what we're able to do with this program. So you can actually scroll through, but you can see right here, okay, we have, the launch to profit in 7 days training. So this training teaches you how to literally launch and then profit within your very first 7 days. But if you go further, okay, you can actually learn, how to set up your social media. And like I said, this training specifically is the $900 level, so it's a little bit more advanced. But you can see right here, okay, you can even see how to create your own community if you want to create your own products. But right here, TikTok training, we have how to post free ads, YouTube training, Pinterest, Instagram. So all the training that you need to master this, you will get access to. You also get access to the community. Okay, so I shared some of the results of the members, but if you ever have a question, if you ever need help or support, you just, can comment right here and write something, like, hey guys, I just started Instagram. Can you help by following me? Okay. And you'll have people follow you. So this is a community. You can see at the time of recording, we have 27,000 members right here. Okay. On the right side. Now, one of the last benefits I love about this program is we have live weekly training. So you can see right here, Monday at the time of recording, we actually have a 7 p.m. mentoring Zoom. So if you are watching this, you want to get started before Monday because you'll actually access this private live training from 6 and 7 figure earners on exactly what you need to do daily. Okay. We have tech support. We have legacy builder training. So this is just for the $900 level, which is the most popular when you actually get started. And by the way, on my website below, I actually have payment plans so you can get started at the $900 level and just pay it off later. We have tech calls, mentoring. Okay, so it's absolutely incredible, guys. So if you're wanting the easiest online business without feeling stranded, without having to do a lot of tech setup yourself, without having to, bother anyone or get on the phone or do these Zoom meetings to try to make sales. I'm a very introvert person, and I loved finding that I could work around 1 or 2 hours a day around my family and friends, and the rest of the time travel, do what I want, go to a movie on a weekday without a lot of people, and still be making sales. Okay. So if you want more information, go to the link directly below. Put your best email into my website, and I'll shoot you over all the details as well as how to get started. And if you have any other questions, be sure you subscribe, because I'm going to be posting a lot more videos. Thank you so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you on my next video.